Okay, here we go. The olecranium. This is the olecranium right there, the head of the elbow. Olecranium. Then you have the coronoid. Then we have the coronoid process. Coronoid process. The coronoid process is right there. This is the coronoid process. This is the coronoid process. And then you have the styloid process. The styloid process. This is part of the styloid process. Right back there. Under that is the styloid process. Then for the radius, you have the head of the radius. Head of the radius. This is the head of the radius. And then you have the radial tuberosity. The radial tuberosity. This is this sharp bony part here is the radial tuberosity. And then you have the styloid process. This is the styloid process. Right back here is the styloid process. For the carpus, you have the this is the carpus, the wrist is the carpus. Then you have the proximal row, you have the scapuloid. This is the scapuloid right there, the scapuloid. And then you have the lunate. The lunate, this is the lunate. And you have the, this is the lunate. Hope you can see this. Ouch. This is the lunate. Okay. And then we have the triquetral. The triquetral is this bone right here. This is triquetral. And then you have the bone right here. That's the triquetral. Then you have the pisiform. The pisiform. The pisiform is this one. This bone right here is the pisiform. Right to near to the thumb is the pisiform. Then you have the, for the distal row, you have the trapezium. The trapezium. This is the trapezium right there. Right to the small finger bone right there in the palm. Then you have the trapezoid. The trapezoid is the bone next to it, this one. You have the capitate. This is the capitate right here. And then you have the hamate. And this is the hamate right here. It says which bones form the wrist joint with what form arm bone? That's the radius. Okay, and which bone forms a joint with the pollock? That's the trapezium. The trapezium. Okay. The acetabulum. Okay. Okay. Now we're doing the pelvic. Let's see acetabulum again. Okay, the acetabulum. This is the acetabulum, where this femur in. This acetabulum, this big hole is the acetabulum, and then you got the pubic symphysis. This is the pubic symphysis right here, and you have the obturator foramen. The obturator foramen is this opening right here. Is the obturator foramen. This opening right here. You got the iliac crest. This is the iliac crest. On top of this is the iliac crest. You have the anterior superior iliac spine. The anterior superior iliac spine is just right there. And then then you have the iliac fossa. This is the iliac fossa. See? This is the iliac fossa. And you have the greater sciatic notch. The greater sciatic notch is just right there. and you have the ischial spine. Okay, you have the ischial spine, which is right there. Ischial spine is just right there, and then you have the ischial tuberosity, and this here is the ischial tuberosity.